It's the question everyone is asking, but no one wants to answer. Is it over for front-end developers? In 2026, the answer is yes. If you're just a syntax writer, your job is already gone. But for the developers who embrace this shift, 2026 isn't the end. It's the competitive advantage. Today, I am going to tell you the brutal truth about what's dying and exactly how you can become the kind of developer that is more valuable than ever. Let's be honest. In 2024 and 2025, we focused on how to write code. But as we enter 2026, AI can write a use effect hook better than you. It can center a div faster than you. If your value is knowing the syntax of a JavaScript loop, you're competing with a machine that doesn't sleep and costs $20 a month. The junior developer trap is real. Companies no longer want to pay someone to try to code. They want someone who can architect solutions. The era of learning to code is replaced by the era of learning to build products. So if the old way is dead, what does a successful developer look like in 2026? They look like an architect. Think about it. When everyone has access to AI coding assistants, internet is going to get flooded with average, okay websites. Most of them will be slow, buggy, and look the same. To stand out in this sea of good enough, you have to master the things AI constantly misses. You have to focus on the high-level architecture that turns the basic script into a professional product. Logic over syntax. You need to understand why a state management pattern works, not just how to copy it. The TypeScript standard. In 2026, plain.js is for hobbyists. Type safety is how we communicate with our AI tools and our team. Performance is the new SEO. Since AI makes building easy, building fast and accessible is how you stand out. If I were starting over today, or if I were looking to 10x my value this year, here is my 3-step plan. Step 1. Master the manual so you can lead the automatic. Don't stop learning JavaScript basics. You need them to debug what the AI builds. If you can't read the code, you can't lead the project. Step 2. Learn product engineering. Start caring about UX. Start caring about how data flows from the database to the screen. In 2026, the frontend is no longer a separate island. It's part of a full-stack experience. Step 3. Deep dive into tooling. Master frameworks like Next.js or Astro. Learn why Tailwind v4 is changing the game. These tools are designed for the 2026 speed of development. Frontend isn't dying. It's growing up. The elite developers of 2026 aren't the ones who type the most lines of code. They are the ones who make the best decisions. I started this channel to help you master the basics. Now I'm here to help you master the future. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and not get left behind in this shift, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below architect if you're ready to stop just coding and start building. I'm Saeed from Elite Tech Club. Until next time, keep learning and as always, stay awesome.